What's up, everybody? It's Legendary Lords here, or part 9 of Christmas 2019 opening. As you can tell, my voice is getting worse. Yay. But I have something unusual here. A white box. Now, it's called the Pokemon TCG Legendary Birds Bundle. It's not as cool as you think, but what's inside is sealed Moltres Legendary Battle Deck, sealed Zapdos Legendary Battle Deck, sealed Articuno Legendary Battle Deck, an Articuno Blister, a Moltres Blister, and a Zapdos Blister. So, do I really need to open these? Probably. Just to get those ultra rares out, but they're decks. So they are decks, which I don't really open on this channel because there's normally nothing good. But these have ultra rares, which I already have those ultra rares. So I'm just gonna collect these as decks. I'm sorry. But do you really want me to open decks? Let's just start with this one. And let's make sure the garbage bag is open so I could put my garbage in it. That's good. So we have a Primal Clash. Ooh. We have a Breakthrough. And we have a Steam Siege. These are all old. So move the decks off of here and just here, sure. So which is older? I think that's older. Can't forget 3. Clang, Special Charge, Nidorino, Oshawott, Fletchling, Larvesta, Meowth, Mantine, Talonflame Break, and Armaldo. Beautiful. I gotta figure out where to put these other ones until I open them. Wait, what if I do this? Will this be more open? There you go. Hold it there, and I hold it here. Nope, I just ruined it. Okay. I should do this after the video. That's fine. That's what I thought. I saw the